Today's featured car slash pickup truck is a 1972 Ford Ranchero. And this one had a 5.0 liter Mustang engine in it with fuel injection and automatic transmission, air conditioning, new paint, new interior, and the owner states beautiful in and out, runs and drives as good as it looks. Didn't mention the mileage, but it sold for $13,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 22. And this was part of the sixth generation for the Ranchero, which were made from 1972 through 1976. And I guess they made about 40,000 of them in 1972. And they had three different versions. They had a Ranchero 500, a Ranchero Squire, and a Ranchero GT. But anyway, that's today's featured car slash pickup truck, a 1972 Ford Ranchero with a 5 liter Mustang engine, fuel injected, with an automatic with air conditioning, new paint and interior, that I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 22, where it sold for $13,500. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.